Hello, Northbrook community. This is Brooks Baggett, your very proud principal here at Northbrook Middle School. Parents and students, I want to make sure you receive an invitation to attend Northbrook Open House this Thursday, July 28th. We have some exciting opportunities for you to be able to meet your teacher, for you to get your schedule, and for you to be able to walk the building and feel the energy and the excitement as we welcome our students back for the 22-23 school year. Parents, we want to make sure that you understand that we're going to stagger our arrival to open house if your schedule allows. Parents and students of the last name A through G, we're going to invite you to come from 4 to 5 o'clock. Students last name H through M, we're going to invite you to come from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And last names N through Z, we're going to invite you to come from 6 to 7. That is, of course, if your schedule allows. I want to tell you a little bit about parking. Our 8th grade students, we're going to invite you to park on the PE field. You can access the PE field parking lot by coming into the bus lane in the front of the school. 6th and 7th grade parents, we're going to invite you to park in the back of the school. It's much closer to the 6th and 7th grade hallway. We have a lot more parking there. So you're going to enter the parking lot that's labeled Bice Center. We're going to have some balloons and some signage out front from Northbrook Parkway. You'll travel down the parking lot of Bice Center and then go to the back of the school. And when you see an awning on a brick building, you'll know that that is the Northbrook Middle School, and we invite you to come on into the school. Parents and students, when you arrive at Northbrook for open house, we are going to have posters printed throughout the building with last names and homeroom assignments. Once you identify your homeroom, we're going to ask that you go visit your homeroom teacher, and they're going to give out lots of information about their class, including your schedule. And parents, we're going to ask that you verify your name, your email address, your phone information, your emergency contact information for you. So we have all current up-to-date information about how to get in touch with you and about information about your student for this upcoming school year as part of our open house event. We're also very excited to announce that we are going to assign Chromebooks to each of our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders this school year. Gwinnett County Public Schools is committed to technology equity, and we want to make sure that every student in Gwinnett County Public Schools, grades 3 through 12, receives a Chromebook that they can take to and from school to be able to engage in their learning this school year. So for our 7th and 8th grade students, we're going to be assigning those Chromebooks to you right at open house. So once you go to your homeroom and you get your schedule and you have an opportunity to meet your teachers, we want to invite you down to the cafeteria. And in the cafeteria, we'll be assigning Chromebooks to 7th and 8th grade students. Now the reason we're going to prioritize 7th and 8th grade students is that our 7th and 8th grade students are going to be learning digitally on the very first day of school, August 3rd. Our 6th grade students are going to be here in person from the very first day of school. So we're going to be assigning those Chromebooks to our 6th graders, not at open house, but during the week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, in order to make sure that we can provide some technology training to our new 6th graders, whom we are so excited to see. So 7th and 8th grade, we'll go ahead and give you your Chromebooks while you're here at open house so that you can engage with us on that first day of school. And 6th graders, of course, will give those to you in person on the first day, the first week of school. Parents, if you cannot attend open house, please reach out to us and so we can make sure that we can get you that information. If you can hold off and you have a device at home, wonderful. We'll go ahead and assign that Chromebook to our 7th and 8th grade students when they arrive in person on August 4th. There's no need to come up to the school and get a Chromebook if you have a device. And all we really are going to do that very first day is we're going to do some Zoom introductions. So any device that can handle Zoom, we're not going to be doing a lot of actual work on a device. So don't stress yourself out if there isn't a perfect device at home. Just make do with what you got. If you, of course, need something to engage with our 7th and 8th grade teachers, then come on up to the school, give us a call, and we'll schedule a time where we can go ahead and get you your device prior to August 3rd. We are also really excited about the opportunity to be able to meet some of our new parents who are moving into the community with their students. And if any student needs to be able to register for classes, or perhaps you find an issue with your schedule while you're here, we want to invite you to the Media Center, which is going to be our hub for support for our or anyone who has an issue or a need with their schedule. So again, we are super excited to invite you to open house. We're going to ask that all of our homeroom teachers give you a call this week so that we can make sure you get a personal touch and you know about those details. But we wanted to tell you just a little bit about what open house was, when when we're going to stagger those arrivals so we can make sure everybody gets great customer service. So A through G, 4 to 5 o'clock, H through M, 5 to 6 o'clock, N through Z, 6 to 7 o'clock, and then of course we wanted to make sure you were aware where to park. 8th graders on the PE field, 6th and 7th graders, we're going to invite you to park in the back of the school, and the way you get to that is enter by the Bice Center, travel through their parking lot, and then come around the back of the school where you'll see an awning, and we're going to ask you to enter those doors. Again, I'm Brooks Baggett. I'm the very proud principal here, and I'm so excited to see you on Thursday, July 28th.